So this is a bit of a setup for our exam 2 tutorial. What we're going to do with exam 2 is it's going to be just a little bit different. We're still going to be using the Proctorio online software. And so the taking of the exam is going to be very similar. However, with exam 2, it is going to require the use of a camera. So for those of you that do have laptops that have a camera in the system already, you'll be fine. If you're using a tablet, you'll be fine. For others, you may actually have to go purchase a small one. Now, it doesn't have to be anything over the top. It can be just something that's functional, enough that it is able to show your face while you're taking the exam. For those of you that don't have or can't get to a camera, I am giving you another option. You do have the option of actually coming to my office on Wednesday the 14th, which is when our exam is going to be scheduled for. And you're more than welcome to use one of the tablets in my office, and you can just take it while you're there. Again, it's not going to take you very long. It's about a half hour to 45 minutes for most of you. But again, you'll have that option if you don't have a camera or you can't get a camera. But for everybody else that does have one, which is the overwhelming majority of our class, you'll be able to take this at home just the same. So in order for us to do this, what you're going to see is that you're going to come in here and you're going to take the proctoring enabled exam 2 Proctorio setup. So you'll click that. You'll go ahead and hit begin. Now, if you're in the process of trying to set up a camera, you'll have unlimited options to take this and try to get it to work and get set up. So again, you'll just hit begin. It'll ask you the same things it asked you the last time, which everything should be all set up. You'll hit continue. You'll need to make sure that your camera and your microphone in this case are going to be enabled. So you'll go ahead, you'll click here to close all your tabs. And then you'll go ahead and hit the start exam pre-checks. So it'll go ahead and go through your connection to make sure it's got a fast enough connection, and it'll check to make sure your camera is set up. And so as of right now, on mine, everything is good, so I have passed. Again, make sure that you do this ahead of time. You'll see yourself in the camera there, and you can hit next and accept. And so it'll wait for you to connect. It'll go through the whole process, and then you'll be all set and ready to go. You'll see the camera shows up in the corner screen there, and it'll show all the setup, and you're ready to go. So please just make sure that you take the time to do this well ahead of time so you can get everything squared away and make sure everything works. Make sure your internet connection at your house is just fine. Make sure that you get a chance to find a tablet that you are able to use on the day of the exam, which is again Wednesday, October 14th. And really just make sure that you have everything prepped and ready to go. For those of you that do have questions, do not hesitate to email me. I'm more than welcome to try to help you out. Have a good one.